Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting devices ready. Power on the TV and plug in the Chromecast if needed. Once done, make sure your phone and the TV are on the same Wi-Fi network. This is required for discovery. Open the Google Home app and sign into the Google account you want to use. You'll see a plus to add a device. Tap it now to begin. This immediate action moves you from preparations straight into setup without extra waiting. Next, you'll add the TV inside the Home app. Tap the plus icon, choose Setup Device, then New Device, and pick your home. The app will search and show the TV or Chromecast. Once it appears, follow the pairing steps. Scan the on-screen code or enter the numeric code shown on TV. Make sure to assign the TV to a room and give it a recognizable name. You're doing this so voice commands and casting target the correct display. Now finish by testing casting and voice control. From a supported app on your phone, tap the cast icon and pick the TV name you assigned. You can also try a voice command like, "Hey Google, play the news on living room TV." If casting fails, make sure the app and Home app are updated, then restart your router, phone, and TV in that order. If problems persist, remove and re-add the device in Google Home to reset the link.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.